Get a Job in Tech, episode 291. SQL interview questions. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language and is a database tool which is used to create and access databases to support software application. Question 2. What are the different types of statements supported by SQL, Structured Query Languages? There are 3. The first one is DDL, which stands for Data Definition Language. It is used to define the database structure, such as tables. It includes 3 statements, such as create, alter, and drop. Number 2, DML, Data Manipulation Language. These statements are used to manipulate the data in records. Commonly used DML statements are insert, update, and delete. Number 3, DCL, Data Control Language. These statements are used to set privileges such as grant and revoke database access permission to the specific user. Question 3, what is DBMS? A database management system, DBMS, is a program that controls creation, maintenance, and use of a database. DBMS can be termed as a file manager that manages data in a database rather than saving it in file systems. Question 4. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System store the data into a collection of tables, which is related by common fields between the columns of the table. It also provides relational operations to manipulate the data stored into the tables. For example, SQL Server. Question 5. Why do we use SQL constraints? Which constraints we can use while creating a database in SQL? Constraints are used to set the rules for all records in the table. If any constraints get violated, then it can abort the action that caused it. Constraints are defined while creating the database itself with the create table statement, or even after the table is created once with alter. Table statement. There are 5 major constraints are used in SQL, such as not null. This indicates that the column must have some value and cannot be left null, which is blank. Unique. This constraint is used to ensure that each row and column has unique value and no value is being repeated in any other row or column. Primary key. This constraint is used in association with the not null and unique constraints, such as on one or the combination of more than one column to identify the particular record with a unique identity. Foreign key. It is used to ensure the referential integrity of data in the table and also matches the value in one table with another using primary key. Check. It is used to ensure whether the value in columns fulfills the specific condition. And these are some of the questions to be asked in a SQL interview. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next one.